everybody, welcome to Tangle Break. Today we're going to be doing fragments, and this fragment is why not. It's a triangle that we're going to mirror, and we're going to use the 8 basic steps of the Zentangle method. Step number 1 is gratitude and appreciation. I'm thankful for the time we're able to take a break from our day to draw, and the supplies that we're going to use today are a Micron 01 brown pen, a Micron 01 blue pen, a Micron 01 red pen, a Micron 01 black pen, a Tortillon, a Zentangle Pencil, and a 3.5-inch tile. And this tile was inspired by Rick Roberts, who is the co-founder of Zentangle. So let's go ahead and get started. So go ahead and get your tile. And step 2 is the corner dots. So get your pen and put a dot in each corner. Now step 3 is the border. Just connect the dots. Step 4 is the string, and today we'll be making a grid since we're doing our fragments. So to get started on this grid is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go ahead and start like we normally do, halfway, and bring it down. And divide the other 2 sections in half and bring those down. Okay, for this grid, we're going to need triangles. So just look on the sides, and we're going to divide the sides into thirds. So look where you're at, and the line, just figure out where the thirds would be, put a little dot. Go to the other side, where it would be thirds, and put a little dot. Okay. So now what we're going to do is divide our grid. So go from the top dot on the left to the middle line at the top. And that's it. Now we're going to go to the bottom dot and go to the corner on the top right. And that's it. Now we're going to go from the corner, the bottom left, to the top dot on the right. And now go from the middle line to the bottom dot on the right. Okay? Now we're going to go back and make our triangles. So we're going to go another diagonal. Start at the middle and go to the top right dot, going through the intersection right there. Good. Now we're going to go to the corner, top left corner, and go to the bottom dot on the right side, going through the intersections. And that's it. Okay. Now we're going to go from the top dot on the left to the bottom right corner and go through those intersections. And your lines are not going to be straight, and it works totally fine, so do not worry. And then the bottom dot on the left to the middle line, going through the intersection. And that's it. That's our grid. So now what we're going to do is put a triangle in each triangle. We're going to put a smaller triangle in each triangle. So go ahead and start at the top left, not at the very top, but at the right here, and then fill it in. Across the top and the bottom, the design is actually going off the page. So what you're going to do is have the triangle connect to the top line and put your triangle in. And we'll go all the way across the top and get that done now. So go to the next triangle, make your triangle connected to the top line and fill it in. We'll have 2 more and then we'll do the bottom. Keep working your way, connect it to the top line. Okay, and then the last one on top, connect it to the top line and fill it in. Now go to the bottom. This is the same way. It's going to be connected to the bottom line. Triangle connected to the bottom line. And my fingers will get out of your way in just a minute so you can see exactly what I mean. There you go. Then do it beside it. The triangle is connected to the bottom line. And fill it in. And then the next 2, the triangle is connected to the bottom line. And then the last one. Okay, and fill it in. For all the other triangles, you're going to center your triangle in the middle of the triangle. Okay, so go to any box. I'm going to start up here at the top again. Draw a triangle within the triangle and fill it in. And that's what you're going to do for all of these. They will all be centered. And just fill them in. And you can just make your triangles straighter as you're filling them in. And then when we add the angles, you can straighten them out even more. Okay, just keep on going. Center the triangles. And fill them in. And the triangles look different sizes, but at the end when you do all the little lines from the different colors, it works. It'll be fine. Okay, fill them all in, and then we'll do the next step, which is making the knots. Okay, so now what we're going to do is make the knot, and we're going to extend the triangle line in just one direction. So go up to the very top, and that line of the triangle goes straight down. And that's all you have to do on that one. The next one, the line of the triangle straight down, and that's all that one does because the triangle goes off the page. So keep going over to the right. That line goes straight down from the triangle, and the last one the same. The line goes straight down from the triangle. Okay, so now on the other ones, we're going to have to do 3 lines. So top left, go straight and stop in the triangle. On the left-hand side, it goes straight down. And on the right, it's going to connect to that line that we just made. So you can, and then you can make it a little bit straighter, connecting the triangle with the line. And that's how our Y knot starts. Okay, go to the next box, connect that line to the corner of the triangle. That corner is going to go to the right, and then the middle corner right there is going to go straight down. Okay, the next one, that line connects to the corner of the triangle. There you go. Then this corner connects to that line, and then this one goes straight down. Okay, your Y knots are starting. Next one, the corner to the line. This line goes straight, and then this line will go straight down. All right, we're getting there. Go to the next section, and that line is going to connect to the corner of the triangle. So just draw across. Okay. Now this line is going to go straight, and then this line goes straight down. And that's it. Okay. So this one, the line connects to the corner of the triangle. This line goes across and connects to that line, and then this line will go straight down. Okay, the next triangle over, connect the line to the corner of the triangle. This line will go straight, and then this line will go straight down. Okay, the line to the corner of the triangle. This line will go and connect to that line of the other one, and then this is straight down. Okay, go to the next section. That's straight. Okay, this corner goes to that line right there, and then this side goes straight down. Okay, this one, the line in the corner of the triangle, this one just goes straight across, and this is straight down. Okay, the next one, the corner to that line, this corner to the other line right there, and this one straight down. Okay, for this triangle, corner to the line, this one will go straight, and this line right here will go straight down. Okay, go to the next section. You can see the weaving has already started up at the top. You can see the weaving. Okay, from the line to the corner, now you're going to go straight, and then you're going to come straight down. Okay, the next one, the line to the corner, then you're going to go straight to that line right there, straight to that line, connect the line, and this one goes straight down. Okay, next box over, line to the corner, straight up, straight down. Okay, connect the line to the corner. Okay, connect that corner to the line, and then straight down. Okay, next section. From the top, just a straight line, then from the corner to the line, and then straight down. Okay, from the line to the corner, now straight up and straight down. Okay, connect the line in the corner of the next one. Let's see, all right, line to the corner. Now that corner to the line, and then straight down. Okay, the next one, the corner to the line, straight up, straight down. Okay, the last little section going across now. Okay, so going straight, and going from the line to the corner. See where this looks like it would be? We'll just imagine where it is underneath, because it would run underneath the border. So then we're going to go straight onto the right, and then bring this one down. Picturing where it would be, these would meet, and then this would go across right there. Okay. All right. So now you can see that our knot has formed. Okay, so now let's go back and start putting in our colors. Oh, let's get this little section over here. The bottom left. Yep, cross that over. All right, now you can see that the Y knots have started. Okay, so get your brown pen, your Micron 01 brown pen, and we're going to do some striping. We don't really want it, I'm not really going to color it in because I want to be able to shade. So I'm just putting some striping, starting at the top left-hand corner. And this is really going to emphasize the Y knots. Okay. So now we're going to just go where we are going to weave the brown. And I'm just making lines, almost like a wood grain. Okay. It would weave this way. Okay. And now I'm going to go this way. Okay, so now I'm picturing where it would be. It's going to go under the one on top. And so I'm bringing it down here. And I'm doing my stripes. Okay, so now it would go to the bottom right. And it would go toward the left also. So let's bring it right here. Okay. Now let's follow it the same way on the left-hand side. Put my striping in. Okay, and it's going to be on the left. Okay, and now where it would come out is right here on the left-hand side at the bottom. Just put my stripes right here. And then it's going to go down under the border. Okay. So I come back to the middle section here and put it in there because that's where it would go underneath. And by not coloring it in all the way, we'll be able to go back and put our shades in, and it will really pop it. Okay, and then it goes underneath the border. All right, so that is our brown. Okay, now take your blue Micron 01 pen and we'll do the blue weaving. We'll do the same thing. I'm going to do the striping so that we can shade it later and it will really see the depth. And I bring it down to the right and to the left. Just turn your tile to make it easier. And then we're going to follow the blue throughout the design. Okay, it would go on this side here. So come down. And then it's going to come to the right and to the left. Okay. Now look, you can see where it's going to go underneath the other one. So let's go to the middle, and that's where it's going to come out right there. So you follow it, and then it comes out right here in the middle. And you're going to go to the right and the left. And to the left. Okay. Now we still follow it. And it's going to be right over to the, all the way over to the left. See how it comes underneath the other one? There it is. It pops out right here. And you go down to the right. Okay. And now it's going to come under and go out the border right here. Okay, we'll do the same thing on the right hand side of the tile. So it comes down on the right. Then it's going to go to right here on the left of it. And then it will go out the bottom. Right here. Okay, the blue is done. So now switch to your red, your Micron 01 red pen. And this will be the easiest one because where you see the white left, that's going to be red. And just put in your striping. And just follow all the edges like we did the brown one and the blue one. And turn your tile to make it easy. Okay, so I have a couple more sections. But with the 3 different colors, you can really see the weaving. I love that. And just wait until we shade it. Okay, 2 more Ys to do. Okay, so the coloring is done. So now it's step 6, the shade. So go ahead and get your pencil, and wherever you can see that the weaving goes underneath the other color, like here for the brown goes underneath the blue, put in your pencil shades, and then here the blue goes underneath the red, put in your pencil shade wherever it looks like it goes underneath. It actually ends up wherever there's a point, that's going underneath. So you see how it looks like it's almost like an arrow pointing? That's what's going to go underneath. And just put dark pencil in there. Anywhere it's going underneath. Just put it in dark, and then we'll go back and smooth it out with the Tortillon. So just put it in real dark. It looks darker on my paper than it does on the screen, so put it in as dark as you want. Wherever it looks like it's a point, that's going underneath the other one. And it just brings out the weaving even more. And that's why I did the striping, so that the shade could show up on the white part of your striping. Go back and make sure you got it everywhere that it's going under. Okay. Put it as dark as you want to. Now switch and get your Tortillon. Oh, forgot this little spot right here. Okay. So now get your Tortillon and smooth it in. So then you just have the shadow and not the pencil lines. Just smooths it out. Let's put a little bit more pencil shading in here to make the red and the brown a little more noticeable there. And you can see I work from one side of the tile to the other, so that I try to make sure I'm not missing anything. And get the last little section. Okay. So now it's time for step 7, initial and sign. Grab your black 01 Micron pen and put your initials or your chop. Then turn it over and we'll sign the back. This was Tangle Break, Fragments, and for this fragment it's called the yknot. Okay. And step 8 is appreciate again. You can look at it from all directions. And you can see the Y's in the different directions you look at it. So I hope that you enjoyed our break today. And I'm glad that we had a chance to draw. And thank you for joining me. And I'll see you next time on Tangle Break. Bye for now.